Welcome to the new video. Let's get started and see the 15 jobs that won't exist anymore in the next 10 years because of artificial intelligence. 1. Data entry. Artificial intelligence works 24 hours a day, never makes mistakes, and does it 100 times faster. 2. Basic switchboard operators and call center operators. Voice bots can now hold fluent conversations without humans. 1. Data entry. Artificial intelligence works around the clock. It never makes mistakes, and it's 100 times faster. 2. Basic call center operators. AI voice bots can now have smooth conversations without humans. 3. General translators. Automatic translators like DeepL have become amazing and they are improving every day. 4. Junior accountants. Artificial intelligence analyzes balance sheets, finds errors, and generates reports in a few seconds. First-level customer support. AI chatbots respond better and faster than people. Basic graphic designers. With tools like Midjourney or Canva AI, even a beginner can create eye-catching visuals. General copywriters. SEO articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. AI writes them in a flash. Cashiers. General copywriters, SEO articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. The AI writes them super fast. Cashiers. Travel agents. AI creates customized itineraries in a few clicks. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Factory workers in repetitive assembly lines. Robots and artificial vision are revolutionizing production lines. Proofreaders. Grammar, punctuation, style. AI finds everything in real time. Basic insurance or real estate brokers. Smart comparison tools offer personalized solutions without commissions. Junior radiology technicians. Artificial intelligence reads CT scans and X-rays with incredible accuracy. News agency journalists. AI can write an article in less than a second starting from official sources. Junior radiology technicians. Artificial intelligence reads CT scans and X-rays with incredible accuracy. News agency journalists. AI can write an article in under a second using official sources. Bank tellers. With online banking and virtual assistants, the teller window is increasingly empty. And that's all for today. In the next video, we'll see the 15 new jobs that will be created thanks to artificial intelligence. See you soon.